7 Steps to Website Success. Developing an engaging mobile-ready website that converts visitors into leads and leads into buyers will provide an effective hub for your digital marketing campaigns and will lay the foundation for your online success. Here are 7 key steps for achieving website success. Step 1. Discovery. Understand what you need. Your website may have many marketing objectives, but it's important to focus on what your customers and potential customers want. Using buyer personas is an ideal starting point to guide you in the right direction. Step 2. Budget. Think investment, not cost. A website is no longer a static shop window. It's an interactive platform that will keep your customers engaged and create brand loyalty. Your digital marketing budget should reflect this. Step 3. Planning. Crucial to your success. In addition to planning your website, you will need a complete marketing plan that includes other online strategies that will attract visitors to your site. Only then are you ready to start constructing a full digital marketing campaign. Step 4. Design and build. If the discovery and planning stages are successful, the design and development strategy for your website will become obvious, as your online objectives will guide the construction. Step 5. Test and debug. This step is often rushed, but is vital for delivering a great customer experience. Make sure you allocate enough time for all necessary QA and UE checks to be completed thoroughly. Step 6. Pre- and post-launch activities. It's important to capitalize on the marketing opportunities your new website will provide when launched. Incorporate and maximize your social media coverage, search engine exposure, and data capture. Step 7. Analyze and improve. Regular measurement and analysis of the data your website can provide will allow you to continually tweak and improve to ensure you achieve a generous return on your website investment. If you would like help to improve your online presence, get in touch with your local WSI digital marketing consultant today.